an African American delicacy. Doesn't mean that other races or ethnicities can't have them. But collard greens, what you do is you take a knife or sharp object, and what you do is you take the leaf off of the stem by cutting this area here, and then going all the way down the stem until you get the leaf, and then the stem will be by itself, like so. Taking the sharp object and just going ahead and starting at the top of the stem, and just place the sharp object close to the stem and slide it all the way down until you get the leaf. Once you have done all these particular leaves and stems, and it looks like this, and you have a bowl or sink full of leaves, then of course you wash them very good with cold water so that you get all the dirt and anything else that may be on the leaves. You wash them clean.